Hi, we're Stef and Bo. We just got a brand new family member.
It's a Fiat Ducato.
Before we're starting the van conversion,
We need to put a lot of stuff out.
but we're always trying to have fun.
We're gonna have a party in here, guys.
After the hard work, we're taking Luigi on his first official road trip.
And we're going to do a lot of fun things.
And we're celebrating Stef's birthday.
How old do you think I am?
Come along on our journey today.
Let's do it.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's free and the easiest way to support us.
Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, or good evening.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
It's raining again today. For a change, it's been raining for weeks now. So we decided to be productive at home.
Yeah, exactly. So we actually have a basement, and we need to actually clean that basement because we're gonna convert our van, and we need the space to put some other utilities in there.
It's not that massive, and luckily, I think it's a good thing that it's not that big.
But yeah, in the meantime, let's go and do that. Oh. There's a lot of stuff in here. So I think we need to put a lot of stuff out and reorganize it actually and see what we're going to dump or use or sell or give to a charity shop. No?
Yep.
Alright.
And you want a beer? We only bought it just in case we had some people coming over, some friends coming over to drink beer. But because of Corona, we weren't even allowed to invite people over. So this has been here for like a year. Is there a date? Expiry date was August last year. I hope beer can get bad.
So, are you seeing this, guys? In Belgium, like there's like a festival here in the city sometimes, and then when I get a little bit drunk, when I'm having fun, everybody's my friend, and I'm like, we're gonna have a party in here, guys. Usually you get lost then, and nobody can find me. So that's the main reason, I guess.
Yeah.
So when I got lost, then they saw the hat, and then they're like, oh, there's Stef. I was wearing this and this. So if you're Dutch, then you're supposed to able to read what's saying here.
Ooh, oh me.
Huh?
Ew,
What's that?
fucking nasty.
Yeah, that's gotta be thrown away because it's all sticky.
Yeah, it's like composting shit.
Hey, this is for the oh, I can't use this still. This is for
used it.
well, this is for the plants. So you can see now, guys. That's nasty. That's like really, ooh, and smelly too. You still like it? If you still like this hat, should I keep this and take it with me in the van? You never know if I'm going out now.
In the van.
I mean, if I'm going outside and I have to work and I need to keep this pretty face clean. Share in the comments if you think we should use it. Oh, our battery's almost dead. But share it in the comments if you would like us to keep this with us here in the van. Alright.
This can already go to the charity.
To the charity.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay,
So
good. Okay.
put that just outside just for a
Yeah.
sec.
Come on, darling. Use the muscles.
The muscles of Brussels. Do you know the muscles of Brussels? The muscles of Brussels? It's supposed to be Jean-Claude Van Damme, isn't that?
Yeah.
The muscles of Brussels. Do you know Jean-Claude Van Damme? The guy who's like, yeah, with his karate moves. I mean, he was pretty good in those movies. When I was like a small child, I was watching his movie. I was like, wow, like Jackie Chan. Man, those times were like epic. It was like, wow. And now I'm like,
I'm gonna go pee
I'm gonna go pee.
for number one.
Okay, for number one.
I'll be back in a sec.
All right. That way. It's still rolling. Whoops, just dropped something and I'm not sure what it was. Hope it's not. Oh no, it's that bottle. Okay. It didn't spill over that bottle, you know, that sticky green bottle. Oh my god.
We're not alone here.
Oh, it's packed.
To find a parking spot. I think this is a campsite too. We don't need to camp here.
Well, we can go around if we want to.
Yeah.
We arrived at our spot and
we need to pee really bad. It's tempting to just go up there and just do it.
yeah, give nature a bit of our little tinkle. We're gonna eat something.
Have some lunch and then go check out some nice walks we can do over there.
Yeah, we don't have to wear masks in here. This is really weird for us.
But there was a sign, but just no one was wearing it.
Yeah, it's like no one is wearing here masks, which we thought was weird.
It's not busy, so it would be a bit stupid to wear masks.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. All right, so we got our mini fridge here. It's just a cooler. Decided to take a tinkle. I'm not so sure if I would do it, but I mean I can pee wherever I want. If there's like a tree, I'll use it. Need a hand?
Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
You ready, darling?
I think I am.
I've got my backpack ready.
Get our stuff.
Got our stuff, got our sunscreen on.
Alright, everything's locked.
Yay. See you later, Luigi.
See you later, Luigi.
Bye, babe.
Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my date. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down.
If only we had a drone right now.
Yeah, and it's actually a lot of wind blowing in here, so
It is very windy.
you gotta go downstairs.
Let's go down and check it out.
Yeah. Down there. Holy shit, wind is blowing. Hope you can hear us, guys.
Let's go.
So we're definitely not gonna climb on those things. Or would we?
No, you would. You would, wouldn't you? You totally would.
I definitely
You
would.
definitely would. In high school, we had to go on the weekends like that. It was horrible.
Yeah, we're actually a bit lost. Because the directions weren't that clear. We gotta go back and look at the map.
Maybe you should take a picture of it.
Yeah, there was even a QR code on it, but yeah.
You should have scanned it probably.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay,
Alright.
let's go back.
You're up to it?
Let's do it.
Yeah, I am on my way up.
So we made it up. I think we're on the right track. Actually, we still don't know. But we found a deer. Oh shit. We found a deer. And how do you call that? I want to say a pig, but it's not a pig. We're supposed to see some animals if we can, but I'm not so sure.
Darling, I found our Christmas tree.
You found our Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how we're gonna do that, but we don't have a shovel.
That's too bad.
I mean, it's not even Christmas. If you're in Christmas time now, then you're really early.
Have you met me?
Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I I won't slow down.
We're having a little rest.
Yeah.
It's been quite exhausting.
We want to do things now that we can do, and not when you're like in your 60s or in your 70s, or when you're retired. I mean, you're not able to go and do beautiful walks, and
yeah,
I think that's what I
mean,
think.
I hope we can still do that, but
Yeah.
we won't have the same. We won't be in shape. Like, actually, we're not really in shape now. But look at us. We walked like 2 kilometers.
We're
We're
already
tired.
tired.
That's why we go for walks, to get in shape, to be active, to
Exactly.
be healthy.
I want to have a snack.
You want to have a snack? Okay. I saw your face. We were like, what?
Yep. So we were talking about my age. How old do you think I am?
And next week is his birthday, and we're gonna do a lot of fun things. But so guess how old he's gonna get? Guess what? We're lost again.
Yeah. Luckily, we got Google Maps.
It would be so awesome if after this we can just go out to the van and have a nap, get a cold drink, and just get in our beds and stay here. Now you have to drive 2 hours back home. That's why we want to do van life, so we can go on nice hikes out and then just sleep on cool camping spots, and we don't have to go home to an apartment all the time.
Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time.
Oh. Did you just fall?
No.
No.
Yay, he's still alive and everything's still here.
Yeah.
This is a success.
We didn't get robbed.
We didn't get robbed. This is a huge success for us.
You know that feeling when you've walked for like hours and you take off your shoes and you're like,
So guys, I think we're gonna go home and let's say this trip was really successful. I think next time you have to go a little less far if you can't stay the night, because then now you have to drive back 2 hours, which is quite a while just for a day trip.
yeah, exactly. Because if we've been walking for like almost 2.5 hours, I don't know, almost 2-3 hours, I don't know, something like that, and then you have to drive home. That can be pretty much exhausting. So be aware of that.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm not driving Luigi yet because I want to wait until our insurance is like changed again to full covered insurance,
Yeah,
just in case I hit something. So at the moment it's just Stefan driving.
No pressure.
No, I don't wanna. I wanna take it easy and slow to get to know the car and get comfortable with it, and
Yeah.
that'll be fine.
That's okay. When I reach my birthday,
Well said.
I get a better price for my insurance, so we decided to go for one option lower in the hope that nothing will happen. Of course, something did happen.
Something small though.
Something small, but if you don't know what it is, go check out our last video. I'll show it here.
So I think this is where we're gonna head off and leave you guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video.
Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content in the future, subscribe to our channel. It's free. See you next time, guys.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, we're making some progress, guys. This floor is so stuck.